Hello children, I am Opeke Bright Onyebuchi, your Basic 1 teacher. We are going to learn about security education. And our topic today is concept of security. Concept of security. Concept of security. What is security? Security is just a protection. It is a freedom from attack, intimidation, fear, and any other thing that can destroy your life and property. Security simply means those things you do so that people will not steal your property. Those things you do so that people will not kill you. Those things you do so that you run away from danger. All of them are security. And I hope you run for security. Do you not run for security? You do. When you see a dog wants to bite you, and you run to your father or to your mother to protect you. What do? You run to her to get what? Security. These are the things we are talking about. Children, we have things or people that give us security. Number one is the police. The police. Police give us security. Who are the police? The police wear uniform. They wear black uniform. And they will carry their gun and be going, patrolling on the way, driving their vehicle, looking for people that will come to kill you. These are the people that we call police. And what are they doing? Why do they move along the way? They are moving along the way so that people will not come and harm you. So they are a source of security to our country. We have other people that give us security. They are the army or the soldiers. The soldiers is one of those people that give us security. Soldiers. The soldiers, they normally wear green uniform with different colors. You will see that they will stand like this, and you will see them moving around. Why? They want to kill those people. They want to destroy those things that will destroy our life. And that is why we have it in our country. The soldiers give us security. Another people that give us security are the civil defense. The civil defense give us security. They move around and see that government properties and our own properties are not made away by armed robbers. They are the type of people that also give us security. Another people that give us security is NAFDAC. What is the meaning of NAFDAC? National Agency for Food and Administration Control. What is their work? They make sure that the food we eat, those ones we buy in the market, are the good ones we will eat. They don't encourage people to bring spoiled product or spoiled goods or foods into the market, because if you eat it, you will die. That is why they don't allow such people to bring such food in the market. Now, let us look at the things we will do to get protected. The things we should do to get protected. Things we should do to get protected. Things we should do to get protected. Number one, we should mop a wet water on our floor. If somebody pours water on the floor, what do? You use mop to dry the water so that somebody will not slip off on the ground. So when we do this, we'll get protected. We will not fall and will not break our head or our leg or our hand. So when you see water poured on the floor, you do what? You clean it. Another one is pick dirty things or broken bottles on the ground. When you see a broken bottle on the ground, you pick it so that it will not harm you. Because if you play with it, it may cut your hand or it may cut your body, and you see blood will be flowing from that your body. So when you see a broken bottle, you pick it and keep it where it will not harm you. Another one is naked light. You should put off naked light. Example, candle. When you light a candle, before you go to bed, you put it off. Because if you allow it and sleep, what will happen? Before you wake up, the fire will catch the whole house and burn all your properties and even burn you. So when you go to sleep, you put off your candle light so that it will not cause fire disaster. Another one is cover your food. Cover your food. If any disease enters it, you will eat it and it will kill you. So you cover your plates so that diseases will not enter it and kill you. And with this, we are going to end our lesson for today, and we'll continue next time. Thank you and God bless you.